in this video we're going to do just two problems that deal with rates and money. So, in this first one, you're planning a party and you have a $250 budget for barbecue. You estimate that you're going to need 2 pounds of barbecue per person, and your favorite place charges $11.75 per pound. How many people can you invite? Okay, well, you could work backwards because you want to know the end, your goal is people. So this is per person, so you can think about this as, remember, per is the division sign. So if we have one person is 2 pounds of barbecue, and then you go over here and you see 1 pound is $11.75. See how I got that? $11.75 per pound. Per is the division sign, so 1 pound is $11.75. So that makes my pounds go away. And then we have money, and we know that we have a $250 budget, so $250 over 1. And that makes your dollar signs go away. So that will tell you how many people. So when I do that, 250 divided by the 11.75 to know how many pounds. So this first part here tells you how many pounds of barbecue you can get. And then when you divide by 2, because 2 pounds per person, it tells you how many people you can invite. So when you do that, you get 10.64 people. Well, you can't have a 0.64 of a person, so 10 people. But here's my question. Are you eating barbecue? Because if you are having the party and you're eating 2 pounds of the barbecue as well, then you have to subtract yourself. You're not going to subtract yourself. So you can invite 9 because you're also eating barbecue. Now, if you're not eating barbecue, if you're letting everybody else have it, then you can invite 10 at 2 pounds per person. Or you can assume people aren't going to eat 2 pounds of barbecue and you can have more people. But hey, who am I to judge? All right, let's do the second one. This is more of a realistic. I'm not saying because it's beer. I'm just talking because it's a comparison. I do this with cereal and all kinds of crap at the grocery store. So you've got a quarter barrel of beer, is 7.75 gallons, and costs $78. Bottles are available in a 12-ounce size, and 6-packs are on sale for $5.25 each. Which is the better deal if you need a quarter barrel of beer? Okay, so if you need a lot of barrels of beer, what's your better price? So the thing is, we have to figure out the best price. And there's a couple different ways to do this. But I like to compare price per ounce. Because if I can compare price per ounces, that's going to give me, you could also do price per gallon if you want. It doesn't matter. It really kind of depends on what you want to change it to. So I'm choosing to change to ounces. Now, I'm going to do the ounce one first because it'll be easier. If I have a 6-pack that is 12 ounces each, that's 72 ounces of beer, right? And that is for $5.25. So if I want to know the price per ounce of my 6-packs, I do my price divided by however many ounces, right? Price divided by ounces. And for my 6-packs, I end up with a price per ounce of 0.0729. So just a hair over 7 cents per ounce for the 6-packs. Now, the quarter barrel beer is a little bit more involved. We have 7.75 gallons, and I need to change that to ounces. So 1 gallon is 4 quarts. 1 quart is 2 pints. 1 pint is 2 cups. And 1 cup is 8 ounces. So when I do that, the cups cancel out with cups, pints, quarts, gallons, I'm in ounces. When I multiply straight across, I get 992 ounces for $78, right? So if I say, okay, price per ounce, price per ounce. If I take $78 divided by 992 ounces, I end up with 0.0786. So to compare, we've got the 6-pack, we've got the quarter barrel. The 6-pack recalls 0.0729, the quarter barrel is 0.0786. So if you're looking at the cheapest or the better deal, it's cheaper to buy 6-packs because you are saving not quite a penny, just a little over half a penny for each one. And you might be thinking, not worth it. I want a quarter barrel. I'm just going to buy the quarter barrel. Well, that's fine. Do what you want. But if you're in the interest of saving money, 6-packs is the way to go. And if you go to Walmart or something, I usually, when I'm buying cereal, they've got this size of box for, $1.99, and then they have this size of box for $4.29, and it's like, well, it's bigger, but is that really a better deal? If you look underneath on the little tag, a lot of times it will give you like 0.2 cents per ounce, and this one might say like 0.31 per ounce. So sometimes bigger is not always better. I actually, buying ranch, I bought a smaller bottle because it was a better price per ounce than the bigger bottle. So you gotta pay attention to that. But in most stores, they give it to you the price per ounce so that you can comparison shop. So that's exactly what we just did with our beaver.